Looking for the dream home that fits your family, welcomes guests, or gives you plenty of space? Check out this stunning 4-bedroom home. Step inside and instantly feel at home in this grand foyer that flows seamlessly into a light-filled living room with high ceilings that let in lots of natural light. Right off the foyer, find 2 charming bedrooms, and down the hallway is a stylish shared bathroom and the primary suite, large enough for a king-size bed and even a home office space. Now here's a game changer. The 4th bedroom is an independent apartment with its own separate entrance, has a cozy living area, kitchenette, and a bedroom. This is perfect for your in-laws, guests, or even as rental income. Step outside into your outdoor paradise. Host unforgettable gatherings on your generous covered porch, complete with outdoor kitchen and grill, perfect for your al fresco dining. Dive into your massive pool to cool off on those hot Nicaraguan days, or let the dogs and the kids run free in the expansive yard. Nestled in the gated community of Bosques del Mar, this home is energy independent with its own private well and solar system. It's located just 10 minutes by car to San Juan del Sur and is only a few minutes drive to the private community area for Bosques that opens directly onto Playa Marsella. This 4-bedroom gem is packed with features and looking for a new owner. Could it be you? Contact me today for more information and we'll see you at the beach.